The studio culture is amazing at Goldsmiths. Even if you're like sitting in the studio and doing nothing, you're unconsciously, involuntarily thinking about design. In the first year, you do a mini project with the second years. So you make friends with second years. And then at the end of the year, you do a project with the third years. So you know everyone. I love the projects. I'm always excited about what's coming up next. I love how you can use normal random materials and like express a story out of it. We were open to use textile labs, ceramics, wood, metal, digital fabrication, graphics, 3D printing. I love 3D printing. So we have all of these things which can be discovered only by making it. The tutors are really helpful. You don't feel like you're working under someone. It feels like you're working with someone. My advice for students coming to Goldsmiths will be just say yes to everything, because you're gonna get 3 years, like the best 3 years of your life.